spinning. A lot of times we just need to know what energy level, what sublevel, and how many electrons there are in them. And in a lot of cases, we really don't need to know it for all of the electrons, just the ones on the outer energy level. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna look at another way of writing electron configurations today, and it will. You have a seat. Just stand in the back of the classroom. All right. So we're going to look at another way of writing electron configurations today. But before we get to that, we want to look at the periodic table. So I gave you another periodic table today if you had lost your other one or whatever. There's some stuff that you're going to want to label on the periodic table.
You need another one.
I want a short one.
Oh.
Sage is here. Boy, him, boy.
Am I gonna need multiple colors? Man, let's go.
You might land it.
No, that's not.
No, we don't joke about that.
It's a tweet up.
I don't care what it is.
Some doors slamming on.
Can I borrow some color, somebody?
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So on the periodic table. Yeah, you can write on this one. I gave you this to label for the express purposes of you labeling this. So, I need everybody quiet and I need everybody paying attention. Alright, so the first two columns we're going to refer to as the S block. Alright? The S block. For the sake of this argument, helium. Alright, so for the sake of this argument.
We need to write it down.
Yes!
Obviously.
Oh my God.
Very good.
So, hydrogen, helium, sorry, for the sake of this argument, is going to go right here. Alright, so it belongs to the S block.
Wait, so the S.
So the first two sections, first two columns, right here, is going to be S. So outline it and label it F, S block, whatever. Helium fits right here.
You don't like my highlighter.
All right.
Oh.
So these two columns are going to end in something S. So the last electron you put in them is going to be in an S subline.
Alright.
All right. So we got these two.
Yep.
The next one we want you to label is if you come over here from column 13 through 18. So this section here, but not including helium. So this section right here, but not including helium, is going to be the P block. So 13 through 18, but not helium. And that's going to be the P block. All of their electron configurations are going to end in something P. All right?
Now you need
We got that?
Hello.
Next section, we're going to come over here, columns 3 through 12. So columns 3 through 12 are going to be the D block.
D?
D, yes. As in dog.
And I'm guessing the ones at the bottom of that.
Okay.
You're correct.
The first time.
Holy hell.
All right, and then finally, these two rows that are pulled out here at the bottom, this is the F block. They're going to end in something F.
So you need 4 colors.
Maybe you're gonna color now. Please.
What block is in a
But we're going to use
What was the
them.
last thing you said?
The bottom two down here
is F. Yeah. This is
are going to be the F block.
For the little kids.
I'm not, like, I'm just confused.
Alright. You sure you're
Is
listening?
that all we need to do?
Oh, no.
Yeah, like I said, all we need is red.
That's all we need to label, yes. All right. So we got that labeled. Or you'll need a second if you colored it in and that sort of thing. All right, I'll give you all a second for that.
Should I
and then
color
we'll
it
get
in?
why we labeled this.
Jeffrey Dahmer here.
When he like murdered?
Yeah.
I'm glad he got killed.
And then a well, multiple times. Because all power
We
grids
should
circuits
close
back
that.
then. So you get fed from two directions.
There you go.
So one, if the feed comes out, the primary feed comes out.
Don't color it in.
No, I'm not like. I'm
And you get feed.
Really?
The electricity comes in the other one.
Jeez, Cassidy. What's your deal?
All right. Is it what? Well, how would you do? Went out.
This is Ed.
Remember the last time that happened?
I didn't say it.
I'm not slim to it. I don't know how widespread the outage is.
Not simple.
Grid, not the grid, but the whole, is it something at the substation? Is it? You know, those places that like if you go down to the start right there, and you have that little, where it has all the different transformers and everything.
Wait, it's all of these, right?
Auto watch. Roll out.
Why are you coloring?
It basically, you have a transmission line comes into the substation.
I'm a follower, not an influencer anymore. Influencing is.
Well, not, it does generate some power.
So we do one thing.
What?
Helium belongs to the S section.
Oh, it's S? Is the S helium?
All right, we're ready?
I mean,
If the power's out too long, can we go home?
It's a soft lock now.
I don't know what they're gonna.
Yeah, ask him, we might be able to.
It depends on how long it takes to put it back on.
So we can't get the milk at lunch. We can't have our AC. We don't have the AC in the room.
I don't have like generators over
You're gonna see something magical. in
We
just a
have
second.
generators.
I'm gonna teach.
With the board.
Yeah,
With the driver's board.
no other guy gotta figure out a table that big on everything with a big ruler.
So it can
Show the vlog. Show the vlog.
Surprised with all your children go out and
The vlog needs to see your work.
So far, this is what it pretty much looks like.
Cassidy, show the vlog. Show the vlog.
It's blocks. It's
Your work. My vlog. You can't really see it.
Because I chose to be a teacher.
This is ugly.
I have idiot written across the
Right. I'm kidding.
Don't ask me for answers to tests. No,
I'm kidding.
don't text me for study guide.
Money's not everything in life either.
No, money has a lot of
Like an influencer.
It allows me to do other things that I want to do.
Yeah, I can be a mechanic though, like.
I used my thumbs to figure out our TV size. I mean, my mom and dad's TV size is 48 inches. Because I did a fourth of it and it was 12 on my phone. And I multiplied by 4 and it was 48. And then my mom looked and she was like, it is 48. It is Jesus. I was like, I mean, yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Vlog, don't listen to me.
All right, so let's look at why we labeled this. So remember how we did the diagonal rule yesterday to get the order in which everything filled? We can also use, I know you don't have your phone out.
Oh.
Put it away. And if I see it again, I'm taking it.
Shut up, man.
I'm going to follow policy.
sentence. All right.
And you take the,
I know that's like not much.
You better come take my phone with my math lab.
They're on their way.
Yes.
I don't want to.
No, I don't get.
I did your homework.
I don't want
You didn't
to.
finish it.
I did 28 questions. You had about 10.
You hear what you said?
Okay,
Yeah.
Larry.
don't do it here because I don't feel like
Larry, at least do 4.
I'll do one.
Okay.
Are you going to do some of mine?
If you want,
still don't feel
sure.
like doing the paperwork.
I'll do some of yours if you do some of mine.
Come on. Okay,
Okay.
so your mom is
I don't know because I don't.
what?
Okay. I don't feel like having to go to everybody's house after, but we just gonna have to go to Zoya's and then your mama and then we go home. Because I'm not dealing with this.
Oh no, I could get dropped off to your house. I could definitely do that.
Oh, because you're gonna have to. You're not gonna get your mom to just bring you, or you gonna just.
I'm gonna let
your
her
car?
bring me. I'm gonna drive my car to my grandma, and then I'm gonna have my mom follow me, so I could drive back.
Yes,
to
I
the
know what you mean. I know what you mean.